Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Kami nga po pala ang ikalawang grupo ng Grade 11 ABMD4. Narito po kami upang magsagawa ng isang panayam bilang bahagi ng aming proyekto sa asignaturang komunikasyon. Kami po ay magtatanong tungkol sa inyong sarili, kultura at sa inyong bansa. Naway maging bukas po kayo sa pagbabahagi ng inyong kaalaman at karanasan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikipagtulungan. Pakilala niyo po ang iyong sarili.
Ako si Angelita Morato Porlano, 77 taong gulang, isang literadong guro sa mataas na paaralan. Ako itubong Ligaw City, Albay, at nag-aral ako ng high school at BSE sa Far Eastern University. Meron din ako masteral in education, major in educational management, at nagturo ako sa loob ng 35 taong gulang. Sa ngayon, ako ay nananatili sa bahay at nagiging abala sa gawaing bahay at pakikipag-usap din sa mga dating estudyante at kapwa-guro ko.
Ikwento ninyo sa amin ang tungkol sa inyong kultura.
Ako ay isang Bicolana at bilang isang Bicolana, natutunan ko yung mga kulturang Bicolano. Ang isa sa hindi ko malilimutang kultura doon ay ang pagkain ng mga may kata. Dahil ang isa sa mga pamusong produkto ng Bicol region, ang Albay, ay ang niyog. Ang isa sa pamusong luto na may kata ay ang pinangat. Kaya ay worldwide delicacy. At ang isa sa mga, pagdating naman sa mga prutas, ang pili, na tanyag din sa buong mundo. Ang isa pa sa mga dinarayo ng mga turista sa Albay ay ang Mayon Volcano. Sapagkat sa Albay lamang makikita ang nasabing volcano o bulkan na kapag ito ay bumubuga, maraming turista ang pumupunta doon at tuwang-tuwa silang nakikita na yung mga nagbabagang bato ay kulay pula, kaya attracted silang makita mga ito. Ito ay napaka-delikado sa mga pananim, sa mga tao, pero ang isa sa kabutihang dinudulot nitong pagbuga ng Bulkang Mayon ay ang pataba ito sa mga pananim pagkatapos. Ang isa pang dinarayo doon ay ang Cagsawa Church, itong isang simbahan na dahil sa pagbuga ng Bulkang Mayon, that was 1914, I suppose, natabunan ang nasabing simbahan at ang makikita na lang ay ang bell tower. Okay. Ang isa pang dinarayo doon ng mga tao ay ang mga mainit na pagtanggap ng mga Bicolano sa mga bisita. Kaya maraming nagsasabi na mga Bicolano daw ay Oragon. Oragon means they excel in many things.
Ano ang kasaysayan ng iyong bansa?
Bansa?
Or lugar.
Lugar.
Kasaysayan ng aming lugar, ang nasabing lugar, yung Albay ay kay Magayon. Ang salitang Mayon ay nanggaling sa salitang Magayon na isang dalagang napakaganda na nililigawan daw ng isang chieftain. Ang pangalan ay Masaraga, na ngayon isa itong bundok na kung tawagin ay Mount Masaraga, na kung tititingnan nyo ngayon, magkaan sila, halos magkadikit ang Bulkang Mayon at ang Mount Masaraga, na nabigo daw si Mount Masaraga kay Mount Magayon, kaya ito ay nagrebelde o nakipaggera, at si Mount Magayon ay nagpakamatay. Magayon in English means beautiful. Doon ang galing ang salitang mayon, maganda.
Ano-ano ang mga wika na ginagamit sa inyong probinsya o lugar?
Ang ginagamit doon ay Bicolano, pero ang nakapagtataka sa anim na lalawigan ng Bicol Region o Region 5, Albay, Catanduanes, Cam Sur, Cam Norte, Sorsogon, at Masbate. Iba-iba ang mga salita doon, pero Bicol din, nagkakaintindihan, pero marami din salita na iba-iba. Pero nakapagtataka na ang bawat bayan doon sa amin, sa Albay for example, ang na binubuo ng mga bayan ng Pulangi, Libon, Uwas, Ligaw, Ginubatan, Daraga, Kamali. Iba-iba ang mga salita nila, pero Bicol pa rin, nagkakaintindihan.
Ano-ano ang mga bagay na dapat namin subukan kapag nasa inyong probinsya na kami?
Okay, dapat yung subukan doon, lalo sa aming lugar, meron doon isang burol, na kung tawagin ay kawa-kawa, sapagkat pagdating mo sa taas ay korteng kawa ang nasabing burol. Ito ay dinarayo ng mga tao, lalo kung mahal na araw, sapagkat nandun yung Station of the Cross. At ngayon, isa pa ay ang Tigbaw Islands, na kapag umakyat ka sa nasabing highland, makikita mo ang overview ng mga lugar sa ibaba na napaka-presko ng hangin.
Ano-ano ang mga lugar na dapat naming bisitahin sa inyong probinsya?
Ang sinabi ko na nga, yung Mount Mayon, mayroon dun rest house, mayroon Embarcadero sa Legazpi, yung Mount Masaraga, yung Cagsawa Church, at marami din dun mga beaches surrounding Ligaw City, Uwas, na isa ring bayan sa Albay.
Bakit po dapat naming bisitahin ang inyong probinsya?
Dapat yung, inaakala ko, para sa akin, dapat bisitahin ang aming lalawigan para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang Mount Mayon. Makikita nyo lang ng kung malapitan how majestic it is. Kaya ito tinatawag na perfect cone dahil nga sa napakagandang hugis ng nasabing bulkan.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras at sa pagbabahagi ng inyong kaalaman sa amin. Ang mga impormasyon po na iyong ibinahagi ay mga katulong ng malaki sa aming proyekto. Muli, kami po ay taos-pusong nagpapasalamat. Mabuhay po kayo.
Good day. We are from grade 11 ABM D4 Group 2. We are here to conduct an interview as part of our project in the subject of communication. We will be asking questions about yourself, your culture, and your country. We hope that you will openly share your knowledge and experience with us. Thank you for very much for your time and cooperation.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Teresita Petras. I'm 83 years old. I was born October 3rd, 1941.
Okay. Can you tell us about your culture in America?
When I went to America, it was a winter. I cannot go out because it's too cold and nobody stay outside because it's very cold. That's why I just do my what do you call that one?
Crochet.
My crochet. And after that, when my daughter came, of course I have to give him some food. So I have to cook over there for her.
Next question, Lola.
Okay.
What is the history of your country there in America?
History. I don't have any idea about the history of America.
Yes, Lola.
You want me? I'm working, that's why I cannot go outside and see what's the history of them. I just stay at the hospital.
You stay at
To
home.
work.
Next question, Lola. What language are spoken in your country and how many languages do you know?
We're in America or here?
In America, Lola.
You speak Tagalog over there, English, you Spanish because they cannot understand me, but
You can speak Spanish.
I can speak Spanish fluently.
Oh, nice.
Can we have a touch of it? Can you give us some examples of
Okay.
Spanish?
What kind of words do you want?
Like introducing yourself, for example.
In Spanish.
Yeah.
Yo soy Teresita. Yo soy 83 años.
Oh, ang galing.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay, next question. What are the things we most try when we visit in your country?
What? What you say?
What are the things we most try when we visit in your country?
I went to what they call it, to the store to buy some foods for us and some clothing. And we went home. I went to casino.
Okay.
Talaga naman.
Next question, Sola.
Sige.
Okay.
Honest.
For next question, what are the places we should visit in your country? Or
Okay.
What you recommended place
Yes.
there when we go there?
California.
Okay. Why?
yes.
California is, you know, the weather in California doesn't change. If it's winter, doesn't stay very long, very cold. And the weather doesn't change over there. But some places, there's lots of snow.
In LA, Lola, what
Los Angeles,
yes.
yeah, there's lots of Filipinos in Los Angeles. Filipino here, Filipino there,
Filipino everywhere.
Filipino everywhere.
Is that the most visited country in the America?
Which one?
Los Angeles? Is that the most?
No, there's lots of Filipinos
For you,
living
for
in
you.
Los Angeles. But I don't live in Los Angeles. I live in California.
Oh, that's why.
In Blaisdell Way.
Why should we visit in your country?
If you want to work over there, because the salary over there is expensive, more than here. And what more?
About the food. What differentiates the food in Philippines than America
Yes.
There's lots of foods in America.
that we don't have in here?
We have it here, but they sell it frozen over here.
Oh.
Over there is still
Fresh.
fresh.
But it's different. In when you eat in America, it's different pa din.
Yeah,
Because
it's different because
you can feel the atmosphere, the environment.
yeah, that's it.
Mm. What places naman na you should encourage us to go if we gonna go in America?
Yes.
California.
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 California is the best.
Why? Why?
There's lots of mountains wherever you want to go.
Name one. We'll search that
Mountain.
up. Mountain.
I forgot the mountain.
Something.
Because I don't stay outside. I stay at my work.
Thank you very much for your time and for sharing your knowledge with us. The information you have provided will greatly help in our project. Once again, we sincerely thank you from the 11B4. Thank you.
I thank you also. Muchas gracias. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you please introduce yourself po?
Okay, I'm Angel Estrellina, seafarer. I'm working on the ship. Yes.
Question number 2 po is, can you tell us about your culture?
About the culture of different countries when I travel is important for them is to learn how to speak English also. Because they use every countries that I travel is they use English. Yeah.
Thank you po. And then question number 2 po is, what is the history of your country?
The history of the country is different countries, but is like USA. USA is a peaceful country, but you can follow his rules. Yes, and especially about the safety, yeah, and communication. You can follow what is the what you mean this. You follow his regulation. Yeah.
Next question po. What languages are spoken in your country?
In my experience in different country, usually we use English. Yeah. Because different countries is different language, so we cannot speak. For example, in Europe is different different countries like Norway, Sweden, Denmark is different country. So we cannot speak his own language. So we use always English. Yeah.
What are the things we must try when we visit your country? What are the things we must try when we visit your country?
We go sometimes we stay in their country, for example 2 to 3 days. So if I have time to go ashore for shopping or looking their place.
Environment.
Yeah.
What are the places we should visit in your country?
Like Singapore. Singapore is very nice country, very clean, very disciplined, and friendly people also.
And the next question was, what should we visit your country for?
Visit their country for the travel is like me, Desiperer. So we visit their country, but it's not
You cannot stay longer there.
yeah, you cannot stay longer. Yeah. Only short time.
Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Okay, thank you also.